Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 11th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar yen actually went down very strong today. Because the weekly and the daily and even the monthly are all still in an uptrend, I still think there's a good chance that eventually this will continue up. I don't really like the fact that this is a five-wave pattern down. Normally, when it comes out to five waves, it's more of like a three-wave pattern like this, and then another push down. But because of the news we had yesterday, the FOMC, we might have just had a motive wave correction, which is basically just a five-wave pullback, and then it just ends up continuing the uptrend. We do have to be a little bit careful. I mean, if it does go below the 78% Fibonacci retracement, then it is probably reversing to the downside. And really, until we actually see like a significant higher low or a break of structure, which the break of structure is way up here, we really can't confirm that this move up is anything beyond a pullback to this last move down. Just the reason why I'm so bullish is because the higher time frames are also very, very bullish. And when the higher time frames are very, very bullish, that means I'm also very, very bullish on the shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.